sure they don't make them like me no more. Shining like a supernova, brand new code hanging on my shoulders. I got what you need, I'm your main controller. So hop right in and don't take it slower. Get on up to my cloud, ain't nobody here's taking us down. Hit 'em with the rhythm, banging that sound. That's when we get 'em, hit the whole town. Got what you want, I got what you need. You bring the lock, I got the keys. Come turn me on, can't get enough. Don't fit the box, don't fit the mold, cause you know I just tear it up. They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Don't make 'em like me no more.
Or playing games with a wider vision. Press App Multiplier button. App displays in dual windows. Product list at left. Details at right. Without interrupting the tasks at hand, just quick reply with floating window. Double your efficiency. If you want to share messengers, just drag and drop. Drag pictures. Drag videos. Drag files. Swipe here to view the dock. Put it on the left or on the right. This is the Foldable Mate Xs.
This is an immersive smartphone. The display reaches edge to edge, in both directions, and it unfolds to an expansive tablet experience with a glass screen, ultra-slim bezel, and a brilliant dynamic display for the ultimate mobile viewing or gaming experience. With 120Hz frame rate, twice as fast as the last Fold, so you can scroll and scroll and scroll through the workspace, game room, and theatre in your pocket.